Hi guys, welcome to the new video of this Linux tutorial series. We discussed many things till now, and the most of this video is to discuss one more important file that I'm talking about from last few days. That is etc login.def. So let me give you some overview of this file. So this file contains basically you can say the configuration informations. Now what does it means? Is configuration information like multiple command we are configuring or that used for configuration like user add, and we are creating user delete, we are doing groupadd. So these are the configurations commands that we are using to configure some users or some groups. So whatever the what default value will user take, or what default value user del will take, groupadd will take, like multiple things we discussed in the last video, GID, UID, what are primary group, secondary group, what are system groups, everything. And we discussed very important concept according to real world, that is password aging, how we can configure the password aging of any users. So in that we saw multiple things like warning period, we see expiration period, multiple things. So all of the default values will come from this file. So this is the one agenda. Second agenda is like one more file I want to discuss, that is etc default and useradd. This is specific to useradd command, but let's discuss them one by one. So if I'm doing less and then etc login.defs. So if you see on the top, it's saying the home directory, it's specifying for the mail things, like this is the directory for if we want to receive some mails, or there is a concept of mail server in Linux. So what are the main default directory? Password using controls, you can see like what is the password maximum days, and we discussed like 999, then 99 means never expired, minimum days is 0, that means you can change password any times, any after 1 second also. What is the warning age in days? When you create a user, what will be the minimum UID will be assigned to user, maximum UID will be assigned to user. What are the system accounts we already discussed. So all the default values are coming from this file, like GID, system GIDs. And when you create a user add command, or some user with user add command, you want to create home directory or not. So this is some masking of permissions. You want to enable the group creation or not. So multiple things we can see from these files. So yeah, this is a file that tells the default value for multiple commands. So this is the configuration of multiple commands, you can see. You can change it also, like what I want to do is, if I show you chage-l, okay, and let me create one user add chh, okay. So if I do chh-l of this user, okay, come on. So what you can see, password expire never, password inactive never, minimum password 0, warning days 7. So I want to change this default things for all the users. So what I can do is, I can go to this file, and what I can do is password warning is, I want, don't give me warning from 7 days. Before 3 days you can give me warnings, okay. Minimum days you can think of like one. After 1 day only, if you change the password today, then after 1 day only you can change the password. So this two things I am changing. And if I do it again, now if I create a user, okay, and you can say ch new, and in this new, okay, now you can see from 7 it become 3 by default, minimum days become 1. So that's how you can use this file and change the multiple things. Next file I want to discuss is etc default useradd. So what it's saying is useradd default values. Whatever we are running in the useradd command, what default values we can take. So what it will taking is shell is taking bin bash. Okay. Now how I can show you is the passwd. We discussed already about this command, but let me show it to you. Whatever the user we created last 2 times, the default shell is bin bash. Then when user expire, it's saying never expired. Home will always be under home directory. So whatever user we are creating, they have their home directory inside slash home only. So what we can do is here, we can change this also. This is per user thing, not for all the things. Like I want at the place of bin bash, please assign me, come on, has been no login shell. Whatever user I will create now. So let me save it. And if I create new user, let's say new user, oh, not this, user add I want to use, new user development, we can say like this. Okay. And now if I do cat etc passwd and the last line if I check, see now it's by default has been non logging. So that's how we can change the parameter also of user advice, or if you want to change the group IDs and system group IDs and password using parameters, we can use the file etc login.def. Let me change it very quickly. So this is all about the two files that I want to discuss. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and if you have any doubts, you can post your doubts in comment box, or you can reach out to me LinkedIn also. Thanks for watching the video.